So, shout out to Deutschland for posting this on X, but we finally have ourselves an actual Mac OS operating system on an iPhone. Now, the reason why it cannot be put on an iPad is sadly because of Apple doesn't let you be able to disable the SIP on embedded devices, which sucks so bad because I think everyone who's owned an iPad for any length of time has always thought about the idea of turning that into a laptop, right, and replacing an Apple device like a MacBook. But sadly, we can't get macOS on iPads because Apple really doesn't want to hurt their sales of MacBooks and MacBook Airs. So because of that, we're kind of just crapped out of luck, and we're never going to see macOS come to iPads. I will say they do a good job, have done a good job so far of really enhancing the whole iOS 26 on iPads. And now you can kind of use it like a MacBook, you know, very loosely. It's not perfect, but you can at least have multiple windows open. You can do different tabs, which is cool. But obviously, it's still not perfect. Now, this is on the 16E. So, kind of weird of a phone to have this on. But if he does say in this, if you go ahead and connect this to an external monitor, which you can't with the 16E, actually. Now that I just realized that, right? Because the 16E, it's very annoying phone, does not have display out. It's one of the few iPhones that does not have display out. So kind of like how, was it the Switch Lite, the Nintendo Switch Lite did not have display out. So even if you connected it to a monitor or to a TV, it would not work. That's the same concept with the 16E. A lot of the reason why it's cheaper is because they took out components like that. The ability to actually, display it on a monitor or TV. So that is the big issue with this, is even if you connect it to a monitor, you can't really do much with that information. He does say here that someone says waste of time too small. He says external displays. That's AirPlay exists though. I guess so. And actually, no, AirPlay does still work on this. So you can use it with AirPlay. You just can't use it with external monitors through an HDMI cable or anything through the USB-C port. Because again, no freaking HDMI out, no display out on this phone. But hey, it's still cool. He's working on the drivers to get the drivers perfected and, worked out. And at the end of the day, right now, obviously, we can't put this on an iPad. But eventually down the road, if we can, just imagine. That is going to be the cool thing. Now, we have seen iPhones now with iPad OS and with Mac OS. So it's slowly getting there with every single type of OS possible on an iPhone. But definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. Make sure to like and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.